An example of the fourth form for a partial fraction decomposition is the function negative 2x squared plus 19x minus 13 divided by x cubed minus 7x squared plus 11x minus 5. Like the previous three examples, we want to simplify the denominator so we can see that it fits form 4. In order to do that, we need to factor the denominator. Because this is a cube root, we're going to have 3 parentheses here. And the coefficient in front of x is 1, so that simplifies things for us. In terms of solving a cube root for factoring, we still look at the last number because this is a product of each of these 3 last numbers. And because it's 5, that makes it really easy for us because 5 is a prime number. So the only numbers multiplied together to get 5 are 5 and 1. Now we look at the second number, and it's negative 7. So I can fill this in to say I have minus 5, minus 1, minus 1. Because negative 5 plus a negative 1 plus a negative 1 gives me a negative 7. And if I were to FOIL this back out, I'd see it also have the 11x in there. And then I would get negative 5 again. We can combine the like parentheses, the x minus 1 and the x minus 1, to be x minus 1 squared. Now we can see that it fits form 4 exactly. So following form 4, I can set it up to equal a over x minus 5 plus b over x minus 1 squared plus c over x minus 1. Like the previous 3 examples, I want to multiply the denominator to each side of the equation so it cancels out on the left side. And parts of it will cancel out on the right-hand side. Which gives me just the numerator on the left-hand side, which is negative 2x squared plus 19x minus 13 minus a times x minus 1 squared plus b times x minus 5 plus c times x minus 5 times x minus 1. To start with, I'm going to let x equal 1. The left-hand side becomes 4, and the right-hand side becomes a times 0 plus b times negative 4 plus c times 0. A and c cancel out. I'm left with b equals negative 1. I'm going to replace negative 1 with b here by simply adding a negative sign. And now I'm going to set x equal to 5. The left side of the equation becomes 32. The right side becomes 16a, so a equals 2. I'm going to substitute in 2 for a. And to make the math simple, to solve for c, I'm going to let x equal 0. The left side of the equation becomes negative 13. The right side of the equation becomes 2 plus 5 plus 5c. So c is negative 4. Now that I know the values for a, b, and c, I can plug them into the original formula following form 4. A is 2 divided by x minus 5 minus, because I have a minus 1, minus 1 over x minus 1 squared minus 4 over x minus 1. And this is the solution for the partially decomposed fraction of form 4.